Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings immediately. This is the control center. Once Settings is open, go to Personalization and select Lock Screen so you can access lock screen content. Next, right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings to reach News and Interests controls. This combined path gets you to both lock screen and taskbar surfaces where news, weather, and information blocks appear. Make sure you stay in Settings while you switch between these panes so options update correctly. Now you disable lock screen content that feeds the blocks. Change background from Windows Spotlight to picture or solid color so rotating content stops. This prevents many news items. Then scroll to get fun facts, tips, and more and toggle it off, and remove any app quick status that might display headlines. Once done, open sign-in options and confirm lock screen apps are cleared. This ensures Windows cannot surface news or weather snippets on the lock screen or sign-in experience. Finally, remove the taskbar feed that shows news and weather. In Taskbar Settings, locate News and Interests and switch it to off. This hides the floating panel and weather icon. If any third-party widgets remain, open apps and uninstall or disable them so they can't reintroduce blocks. After making changes, restart File Explorer or reboot your PC to apply settings system-wide. Troubleshooting tip: if blocks persist, check for group policies or registry overrides. Those can re-enable feeds and require admin changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.